Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the AOC 27B36X, a monitor that really hits that perfect middle ground for gamers who want smooth performance without spending a ridiculous amount of money. Right away, the 27-inch size feels ideal because it gives you a big, immersive screen for gaming, but it's also great for everyday use like studying, working, or having multiple windows open side by side. The real highlight here is the 144 Hz refresh rate, which instantly makes everything feel faster and more responsive compared to a standard 60 Hz display. If you play shooters, racing games, or any competitive titles, the difference is huge. Motion looks fluid, and gameplay feels more controlled. On top of that, the 0.5 milliseconds response time keeps fast action looking sharp, reducing blur when you're quickly moving the camera or tracking opponents. Another major bonus is adaptive sync support, which helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. Whether you're using an AMD or NVIDIA graphics card, the experience stays smooth and consistent, making gaming feel more enjoyable and polished. What's surprising for this price range is the IPS panel quality. Colors look vibrant, viewing angles are wide, and the monitor covers over 120% of the sRGB color space, so games and movies appear rich and lively instead of dull or washed out. There's also HDR10 support, which adds extra depth in darker scenes and brighter highlights, giving certain games a more detailed look. Design-wise, the monitor keeps things clean with thin bezels, making it a great choice for multi-monitor setups. The stand offers basic tilt adjustment, and while height adjustment would have been nice, it does support VESA mounting, so upgrading with a monitor arm is easy. To top it off, features like flicker-free technology and a low blue light mode help reduce eye strain during long sessions, whether you're gaming late into the night or working through the day. Overall, the AOC 27B36X feels like an excellent value monitor that delivers speed, color, and comfort in one affordable package.